Don't follow your passion, follow your purpose. Passion is overrated because passion is less understood. Passion is an attitude. Passion is not a subject that, okay, so I'm passionate about plants, I'm going to become a gardener. I'm passionate about plants, I can grow plants, I can enjoy gardening in my free time. In fact, whenever I do that, I get more energy to do more of whatever else I'm supposed to do. I don't have to take the pressure of making profits by planting more trees or by becoming a gardener or having a nursery, and that's the only way I'll make money. So whatever you do, if you learn to do it passionately, you will do it better. But if you do something without being led by any purpose, then it has no meaning. So when we talk about profitable ventures, waste management, like you said, now there is a very deep purpose attached there, right? People who work for the environment, people who work for the larger purpose, right? People who work at a global level or worldwide issues, they are driven by a very deep purpose. Yeah. Now, when you are driven by the purpose, then work doesn't feel like work. And that's when you add passion to what you do. There can be passion in the way you make videos. There is passion in the way you talk, because you know what you're talking and the message has some value, and you don't know how far it will reach, you don't know who will listen to it, but there is passion in it because you believe in it. And what you believe in is attached to your purpose, and hence there is passion in the delivery. Do you understand? Yeah. So you can't say I'm a passionate speaker. What does that mean? That actually means nothing, right? I feel passion for this, and when I speak about it, my passion shows. So passion is an attitude. It is not like something that can be kind of pursued as a career. That you love this, feel passionate for this, go ahead, make that into your career. Not necessary. In fact, if you've identified what you're passionate about, release the burden of profitability from it. Release the burden of it making money for you. Otherwise, you will lose passion for that anyway, right? Because now it's all about, oh, you love reading, so now you have to write. And if you don't write and if your books are not making any money, then your passion makes no sense. But if I really love reading, that reading as an experience is giving me so much energy that even if I have to go to a banking job after that, and that's where I get my money from, that's what brings food to my table, I'll do a better job there. Yeah. Right? That understanding is totally missing. So I'm glad you asked this question. So passion is something that adds fuel to your fire. But purpose is what keeps that fire burning.